Just some basic instructions on how to refill the air conditioning on a 97 Acura. It's the 3.0, the same as the Accord. So this one is the low pressure valve. So they sell they sell products to refill, and you can do it yourself, and it's probably much cheaper. This one was $70 or so. AC Pro Max, and it has the I'm not sure if it's one R134. It's already the air conditioning. It should say somewhere in the chassis. I forgot where it is. Oh, here it is. It's 134A. So this one should work. 134A. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna connect it first. Then you're gonna take off a tab that is here that it pulls a needle through the bottle and connect it. Then you're gonna go to your vehicle. You're gonna turn it on, and after you turn it on, you're gonna put the AC on full blast, and then you're going to press the nozzle on the bottle till you empty this bottle, and then the PSI should read in between 25 to 52 and it will let you know that it's this one is digital, so it will let you know at the end that it's been filled. I'm going to recharge the air conditioning on my Honda vehicle. This is the low pressure. It's marked by an L, and I'm going to connect the refilling bottle. It's expensive to get it recharged in another place, so now it's secure. This one has a monitor. I guess the PSI should be 35 PSI. I'm gonna turn on the vehicle, put the air conditioning in full blast. Let's see what it does. So I'll put it on AC, and I'm gonna put the air conditioning on full blast. There it is. Now I'm gonna roll down the windows. Okay. And now it's gonna be time to discharge the compressor is moving. Everything's fine. Now, since it's a liquid, you can feel when it's getting empty. So right there, I think I'm like half full. This one is 20 ounces. It should be enough for this vehicle. Even there should be maybe leftover, so I can probably dump it somewhere else in another cart. And I just have to go and return the bottle. They give you $10 for the quart, so I can feel it's getting colder. Even So it's simple. And while I'm doing this, it's pretty good that so now it's getting empty, and I can feel like back pressure. But also the air vent on my vehicle is right next to, really close to it. So it's right here. It's right here, and I can feel the cold air blowing. The bottle is almost empty. I think it's right there. It's already there, I believe. I just wanted to make a note of something like it says to stop when PSI is right on the green. So I'm at 33 PSI, which puts it right there. Yeah. So it has been charged.